guys, we're off to another catering adventure. We're off to Cabangan Consolacion. Actually, naka-cater nila last week, no? Nakita mo sa silingan, naka-uyon. So, ang silingan na po naman